husband.
Yes.
Who wants the transfer of the divorce petition filed by the wife from Bangalore rural to Bandra.
Lordship.
Children are
two children.
But Lordship, in this case, actually, what has happened is the matter was in mediation, and there is, according to me, there's no reason for the mediation to have failed.
But it failed. I mean, you can't. They're all both educated. They know where they stand, and they didn't want to mediate.
Lordship, in this case, what has happened is that we just wanted visitation rights. Lordship has granted us visitation rights in this matter. Now,
see, what we can do is we will transfer the wife's divorce petition to Bandra, Mumbai. The interim order by which we had granted you visitation rights, we'll continue that until it is modified by a competent court, so that you will continue to have video visitation right. If she wants a modification, in the sense she wants something different, she can apply. You want something more, you can apply to the competent court.
Lordship, at least let me have physical access to the child. I've not met him for 1.5 years of both my children. And I have pictures on record, Lordship, after the order. I'm willing to...
Expressing your petition, we will allow the wife's petition.
Lordship, Lordship, please bear me for a minute. In this particular case, the wife is working with Tata Power in a senior position. The minute I filed my guardianship case, she orchestrated a transfer and she moved to Bangalore with the kids.
There's no orchestration, because the fact is that, it's a divorce petition, and the fact remains that she has 2 children to look after.
Divorce petition filed, Lordship, 5 months after she shifted.
So,
and then the transfer was filed for 8 months.
We will dismiss your transfer petition and we'll say that we'll permit you to appear on video conferencing.
So, Lordship, at least give me substantial visitation rights at least.
Lordship,
Lordship, I'm so sorry, Lordship.
Visitation.
Giving certificate from Bandra, Mumbai to issued, sir.
Lordship, I'm willing to,
what we'll do is that we will not, because if we dispose of the petition, the interim order comes to an end. We will continue the benefit of access to the children through the video conferencing mode as we had given you earlier. Has that fructified?
No, that's a problem.
Has that fructified? Did you meet the children?
Yes, Lordship. For the first 2 months, yes, but thereafter it's deteriorating. That's why we wanted to mention this matter. It's been deteriorating because sometimes the child comes at 8 o'clock in the evening when the child is asleep. So that's not happening properly.
How old is the child?
The child is 8 and 6 years old. So the point is that, and then what happens? The mother, fixes all the activities, robotics, etc., all activities. So
8, 6, and 8-year-olds have a very hectic social life nowadays. They do all kinds of things. They learn
Lordship,
chess and robotics.
I am willing to travel. I am willing to even bear the expenses of the children, though she is earning handsomely. I am willing to pay the education expenses till the post-graduation, Lordship. I just want to meet my children, Lordship. I do not. I am the biological father.
Therefore, you have filed for guardianship, right?
Yes, I filed it in Mumbai.
Your guardianship petition, you can apply for access to the children. We will say that.
The guardianship petition, I've already applied for access.
Like we'll say, there is no reason to transfer the petition which has been instituted by the respondents for divorce from Bangalore Rural, from the district court Bangalore Rural to the family court in Bandra, bracket Mumbai. This is particularly in the light of the fact that the respondent has 2 minor children with her in Bangalore. The transfer. However, by an interim order dated 27 January 2023, the petitioner was granted access to the children through the video conferencing mode on Saturdays and Sundays at 4 p.m. The duration, it was agreed, shall be of 30 minutes on each occasion, subject to extension on mutually acceptable terms. In order to enable the petitioner to have continued access, we continue the arrangement which was made in the order dated 27 January 2023. However, it will be open to any of the parties to apply before the competent court either for enhanced or modified.
Lordship, at least give one physical access once in a month, once in a week. No. Lordship, at least one day.
She is not willing, and we honestly, we don't know because we have not interacted with the parties of the children. We have given you liberty to move the competent court in your guardianship petition for access. So we have left it open to you.
So Lordship, the case now being shifted to Mumbai.
And we have heard meeting video conferencing. And in 4.1, which is the wife's petition, that we will allow.
So then, Lordship, then I have to go to Bangalore to contest the case.
There we have said that you can appear through video conferencing. In her petition, we will say you can appear through video conferencing.